In this video, I will show you how to list your business in Google search. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, open up your phone settings. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down all the way down until you get to Google. Open up Google. Proceed with your Google account. Go ahead and click on Google account. And scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on people and sharing. So click on people and sharing. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to add your product to Google. Go ahead and click on that. So at this point in time, tell Google about your business. This will help Google tailor its services to your business needs. Do you sell products online? If it is yes, go ahead and indicate yes. Do you have a physical store? If it is yes, choose yes right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to choose yes for online store. So the decision you take here will determine the next question that you'll be asked by Google. Next thing you want to do is to paste your website store right here. I'm going to use this as my website store and then go ahead and proceed. What type of online store are eligible? You can click on here to see the number of stores that are eligible for this. Your online store must clearly show products with price, offer return, accept payment, and include your contact information. Your online store can be self-hosted or hosted a third-party apps such as Shopify and WooCommerce. These are the supported online store that you can add into your Google Merchant Center right here. The next thing you want to do right here, do you have a physical store? If you have a physical store, you can include yes, as the case may be. And the next thing you want to do right here, if you do not have a physical store, simply click on no. So next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on continue right here. Just like so. Products on Google for free. Reach the hundreds of millions of people looking to buy products like yours by adding your product to Google. Scroll down right here. Just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on continue right here. Then here you go. Enter your business info. This information helps Google follow the applicable rules and regulations for your business. Your business name will also be used as your merchant center. Go ahead and enter your business name, choose your country, and then I'm going to click on here now and enter my business name. Having entered your business name, click on continue. And go back. And the next thing you want to do here is to choose where your business is registered. So click on here and choose your country where you register the business. I'm going to leave it in Nigeria. Get personalized email notification on news and tips. So make sure you check this. Get invitation to participate in occasional survey and pilot. You can check on this. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on continue to Merchant Center right here. Verify it is you to continue. If you don't see the Google Security sign-in window pop up, when you click continue, you can find it here. So go ahead and simply click on continue right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to, what is your registered business address? You need to provide your business address right here. This information will not be shown to customer. So go ahead and enter your registered address. Once you fill up the detail, click on continue right here. Then right here, you will need to verify your email identity. Go ahead and enter your email address right here. Then after enter your email ID, scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on get code right here.